let's start the topic part. Okay, so the topic is this: Can money buy happiness?
Okay.
Okay, who is going to start first? Vikram, what do you think?
Okay. So it is very interesting topic, and this is a topic. Different people have different kind of opinion. So in this modern time or in this modern era, we have examples of both. Like some people are rich, they are not happy. In the other hand, they are rich, but they are also happy. And other side, some people are not rich, but they are happy. So and this time I think surroundings make the more impact on our happiness. Like we are living in materialistic surrounding. If our neighbor purchased a car, so we also try to think I should have a car. So I
Mhm.
always think about the car. So it's a short time happiness, but a real happiness is like that when you think you are enough, like you are enough, and you don't do comparison with your others, and you are calm and you are doing good things. And yeah, money is like that. Money can be a factor of happiness, but not completely. It's like a fuel. Money is like a fuel of a car, so it's need to sustain a life. So that's from my side.
Now, Ekta, you can tell me what's your opinion. What do you think? Can money buy happiness?
Uh, According to me, it's a very subjective, question because earlier also I thought about it. So, like, how can one be happy? This is the first question. So, happiness depends on the various things. It is very subjective. For the person, for me, happiness is different. For the other person, happiness would be having different connotation and having different meaning. So, it is very subjective. Now, according to me, if
Yeah,
I see
like
happiness, so happiness is
common
okay.
problem,
So
your common problem.
yeah, okay. I try my best to be slow this time. So according to me, happiness is attaining lots of information and then imparting that information to a lot of people. This is what I believe, and I always want to be moral. Like I always seek what where people is doing wrong, what are they doing, and what is the effect is going to be of their action on the other people. So
Mhm.
this is my. I always see the world in that scenario. Okay, how the action of one can affect the other. So happiness for me is that. Now coming to the materialistic part, I believe that yes, having money can buy you happiness. Now think about it. Like of course not materialistic. Money cannot buy you everything, but think about it. You want to like one wants to study. Now
Mhm.
one wants to study. For that you should have, or one should have, uh, you know, a, a proper mind, or basically I want to say that if one wants to study, then one should be physically or mentally be healthy. Now
Mhm.
how can one physically or mentally be healthy? Only when he has some food to eat, and without money we cannot have food. And
Okay.
also food in the category, like one should have, uh, one should have balanced diet. Otherwise you will not be able to sustain for a longer period of time. So
Mm.
if you want to attain goods in life, you should have at least some, some source of income and some money. Otherwise, I don't think that you would be, happy for a long period of time.
Okay,
I
interesting.
don't know whether I was able to, justify my answer or not. But I just want to say that, like, like I want to study, but without money, I could not have books. Without money, I cannot have, I cannot go to the good colleges. I cannot go to good schools. I cannot have good teachers. So without money, I cannot having the thing that I want in my life.
Yes,
And
definitely.
I'm now, and I'm now coming to the other part. Happiness can you buy, like materialistic things? I'm not saying that one should have lot of bank balance, like
Mm-hmm.
money in crores and lakhs or in billions, but at least one should have that sufficient amount of money from which he can buy, small things.
Okay,
Yeah,
basic needs. They can fulfill their basic needs.
yeah. That much amount of money one should have at least in their life.
Interesting.
I think, ma'am, Satnam is very excited to speak.
Okay, Satnam, you can start. What do you think?
I think that one is a philosophical one question or something like ethical thing. Uh, I can speak a lot, but happiness, according to my like, it is depends on different people
Hmm.
because different people have like own philosophy, own life, own way of thinking to like understand about what is happiness for her, for them.
Hmm.
That my way of thinking that according to me, happiness like uh, when I read something with novels or
Hmm.
poetry or was some good films. Like one of my favorite film is Masan. When whenever I watch them, I
Hmm.
feel like happy from internal thing.
Hmm.
Or when I eat some like my local food, village food,
Hmm.
is like linked with my childhood memories. I feel more happy. Like comparison to then eat in good restaurant or in a good place or like
Hmm.
spicy thing or like high price things. Like I am comfortable or feel happy when I do something like simple things, not like wealthy things to buy or something like buy iPhone or laptop high price. But I'm happy with normal things or normal life.
So you are saying
That gives me happiness.
small things make you happy, going out, having food, not big things,
Yeah,
buying phone or materialistic things.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, I hope you all heard each other's points. So you had different opinions, you all had different opinions. So according to me, so can money buy happiness? Again, it is a subjective opinion, as Ekta mentioned. With money we can buy luxury, we can have opportunities, more opportunities, financial security, which is more, which is extremely important, financial security. But when it comes to emotional well-being, building relationship with each other, right, in that case money can add value, not they cannot buy our emotional well-being. We can feel we are well, mentally healthy after building relationship with each other, making friends, connecting with each other, right? Okay, so it can add value a lot, but again it depends, it varies person to person. Suppose if someone doesn't have money, for that person first priority and every problem will get down to the problem of money. If I had money I would have bought these kind of things, right? If someone has money, then their problem starts from other things, right? Their problems, they won't boil down to money. So about the topic, okay, you guys took the turn towards happiness, not money. I noticed one thing. So the topic was related
Mm,
to money buying happiness. So all of you took turn towards happiness. What can make us happy? Somewhere in the middle, you forgot the part about money. Would you agree, Satnam? What do you think? When
I,
you talked about the topic, three of you, when you talked about the topic, you were focusing more about what can give you more happiness. Money part was not mentioned more. Ekta?
can I add now?
Yes, you can add definitely, but do you think when you mentioned you forgot money was also related,
Yeah,
money was also involved in the
yeah,
past topic, but
yeah.
okay.
I focus the mainly on happiness. Like